siya yung magbibigay sa atin ng clarity sa kung ano man yung hinahanap natin. Kasi si God naman, mahal niya tayo eh. Alam niyo ba yun? Mahal niya ako. I knew that na when I received Jesus Christ, I knew that I was undeserving of His salvation. I was undeserving of His love. I was undeserving of everything that He offers to me. And yet, yung love niya talaga, wala, na-overcome yung aking mga doubts, na-overcome yung aking mga insecurities, na-overcome yung aking mga sins. And that gave me hope.